Thailand's former Prime Minister Vejajiwa says China's anti-poverty experience is worth learning, noting that the country's poverty alleviation approach is implemented at the very local levels.
We learn about how the implementation is also very much decentralized, right down to village levels, and a lot of effort has been put into that. And the whole of the mechanism of the party was geared towards achieving this goal. It's clear that so many people have been lifted out of poverty, unprecedented. I think there have been a number of countries, I think Thailand included, where we have been watching the approach on anti-poverty measures. I mentioned the issue of having a detailed plans being implemented at the very local levels, and taking care almost of individual families for particular circumstances as to how they could lift themselves out of poverty. I think these are lessons that are being learned.
ابھیسیت says, while China has domestically lifted millions of people out of poverty, the country is also working to promote sustainable development internationally.
Well, I think it's good that China, with her increased economic powers, is also playing a role at the global level, and also with China supporting multilateralism and the goals of international organizations. So for the latest initiative is very much aimed at supporting the sustainable development goals, which should be supported by all countries. I think these are all positive factors.